We're going to get into now Shopify homepages, and I'm going to show you some examples here of stores that are doing it right. And if you can incorporate as much of these as possible, your Shopify store is going to be selling where you want it to and more. Whenever you first go to a Shopify store, the first thing people see is this top bar. So this is called the banner or the announcement bar. You want to have a special offer benefit in the banner. Free shipping, guarantees, a seasonal or promotional sale. This is something you want to make sure you have it right at the top. People can see it right away. Remember to keep your homepage product focused. So starting off the bat, your header headline, this is where you want to state your main USP, your unique selling proposition of your product. So here it's gummies, and these gummies are focused about health. The USP right here, the benefit USP stated is the tasty boost of health. So this is really just stating a benefit of your health. In your subheader, you can state more of how does it help people. Now for the CTA, want to make sure the CTA pops. So they did a great job with this CTA, how it contrasts, this yellow contrast from this pastel orange, this pastel red, and they got even more benefits. And under the CTA on your homepage, you want to make sure either below or above you have some more benefits. You could do that in the form of bullets. Here they did it with some icons, like benefit icons. So they did a good job here.